In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a refund in Xero. If you've issued an invoice and need to return money to a customer, maybe an item was returned or you overcharged, the cleanest way in Xero is to create a credit note from the original invoice and then make it a refund. This keeps your records tidy, your tax treatment correct, and your audit trail clear. Start by signing into Xero and heading to your organization's homepage. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right company file, especially if you work with multiple organizations. From the main menu, go to Sales, then Open Invoices. This page lists your sales documents. Use the search or filters to find the exact invoice you're refunding. Opening the original invoice is important because it ensures the credit is linked to the right customer and the right transaction. With the invoice open, choose the option to create a new credit note. In most layouts, you'll see this near the top of the invoice screen. A credit note is essentially a negative invoice that reduces what the customer owes or records money you're paying back. Fill in the credit note details carefully. Match the contact and make sure the line items reflect exactly what you're refunding, whether that's specific products, quantities, services, or just part of the invoice amount. Enter clear descriptions so anyone reviewing the account later understands why the refund was issued. Set the correct date, choose the right account codes, and apply the same tax rates you used on the original invoice so your tax reports remain accurate. If your organization uses references or tracking categories, add those here too for consistency. Once the details are in, look for the option to make it a refund. This turns the credit note into an actual cash refund rather than just a credit balance on the customer's account. You'll see this option if your subscription and user permissions allow it. If you don't see it, you may need access from an account subscriber or administrator. When you choose to make it a refund, Xero may ask you to select the bank account you're refunding from and confirm the refund date. Double-check the amount and tax before proceeding. Save to finish. Your credit note is now created and processed as a refund, linked back to the original invoice for a clear, compliant record. A quick tip: add a short note in the credit note description explaining the reason for the refund. This is invaluable for future reviews and for anyone else working in the file. And that's it. You've successfully entered a refund in Xero with confidence and accuracy.